Yes, yes, yes. This is Big Ben, and I'm live, and I'm live, and I'm live. Welcome to my channel. If you are new to the channel, welcome. Basically, during this live stream, I'm not giving nobody financial advice. This is entertainment only, okay? If you are new to the channel, definitely hit that subscribe button, okay? And during this live stream, I'm going to talk about Bitcoin, see what's going on. If you want to learn more about that, how to read the charts and profit off the charts, definitely hit that subscribe button. Okay, so let's see. Actually, I gotta put this thing. Let me pop this out. Hey, what's going on, guys? All right. So if you want to learn more about that, definitely hit that subscribe button. I've been doing this for 11 years. Professional day trader, professional swing trader, and that's all I do. I just profit off the charts. Okay, so if you want to learn more about that, let me know. Guys, can you hear me on the mic? So before we get this started, let me hold on for a second. Let me see if this mic is working. Okay, sounds good. All right. So yes, I had to get a new mic yesterday. I got a new mic yesterday, and the other mic I think was just going bad. Okay, so shout out to everybody that's here. Thanks a lot for coming through. If you're new to the channel, definitely hit that subscribe button if you want to learn more about how to do technical analysis the right way. I know a lot of YouTubers claim they know how to do technical analysis, but trust me, guys, they are rookies and they just doing it just to get views. That's why they're getting, technical analysis is a bad name, but it is what it is. So let's go to CoinMarketCap for a second. But hold on, guys. Let me plug in my, I want to plug in the cord so my laptop the battery won't run out. Alrighty, so let's see who I have in the building. What's going on, Keith? What's going on, Fat? What's going on, King? What's going on, Leslie? Buddy, TB dollar signs. What's going on, guys? Good to see you on a Sunday. Right now it's 2:59 p.m. Eastern time where I'm at. So good to see you guys here. So overall, guys, right now, let me zoom out. Actually, zoom in Bitcoin. Let's see what's going on. So yeah, Bitcoin, we might be chopping around this area right here. It doesn't look like it's doing anything bullish at all. And I definitely don't expect Bitcoin to do anything bullish because this whole down move right here was a bearish down move. So definitely don't expect Bitcoin to do anything crazy and go to 11K or anything like that. So let's check out CoinMarketCap. The market cap is at 213 billion. That is crazy, guys. It probably was lower than that. I can't remember, but of course the dominance is creeping up. The altcoins are falling faster than the Bitcoin, so we're going to see that a lot, guys. We're going to definitely see that a lot. The volume is at 6 billion. So we're definitely going to see that a lot, guys. We're going to see the dominance go up, and these altcoins most likely is going to continue to go back down. So let's click on this volume real quick. I just want to see something. Hey, what's going on, TPD? Craig Hans, what's going on? Good to see you guys here. If you're new to the channel, let me know. If you have any questions, let me know. So the volume right here is at 4 billion. Okay, so it's still low. Today we see a little, it's at 6 So that tells me that a lot of people either trying to buy, but this overall this looks weak. Maybe some consolidation going on right here, because you have to understand, guys, they trapping a lot of bulls. They trapping the bulls right now. So a lot of bulls right now are doing something that's called revenge trading. Okay, so the bulls bought this breakout right here, right? And I'm quite sure they was buying this right here. So when this broke down, a lot of people got stopped out right here. A lot of people got stopped out right here. They bought right here, right? A lot of people got stopped out right here. And they probably bought around this area, okay? And either they got stopped out or they're about to get stopped out. So they doing something that's called revenge trading. And that simply is, you know, you just keep on buying because you're mad that you lost on your last position. So they hoping that the market will continue to go up because they have this belief that the market can't continue to go down. Okay, I used to do this when I first started out. I used to buy or sell, right? And I would say to myself, there's no way the market continue to go down lower. Okay, it's been going down so much. There's no way possible the market could continue to go down lower. Okay, and this is what most people's doing right now. They buying this and they saying that XRP, no way XRP will continue to go down lower. No way TRX will continue to go down lower. And they just getting smashed, guys. And it's just it's sad. It's a sad situation. And I hope you guys are not doing that. But that's what's going on right now. So shout out to everybody that's here, man. Thanks a lot for coming through. Appreciate all you guys. Appreciate you guys stopping by, because I know YouTube overall, I don't know if you guys is getting notifications or not. Guys, the guys that's in a room right now, did you guys get any notifications? Let me know. I want to know, because YouTube is acting up. I don't know what's going on with YouTube. But shout out to you guys, man. Thanks a lot for coming through on a Sunday. Yes, smash the likes. Michael Taylor, yes. So you got a notification, Michael Taylor? Okay. Okay, that's good. So some of you guys got it. Some of you guys probably didn't get it. Okay, so Stuffworks said he got it on the phone, but he didn't get it. He didn't get it on the computer. Yeah, I hear you, man. What's going on, Paul? We are going to we are getting paid like crazy. I went short Zcash. 8 out of 8 paid me more than 6 months bread. That's crazy. Just Big Ben cost major moves. So shout out to Paul. He said he made more than 6 months of bread. So let me hit that cha-ching button for him. Let me hit that cha-ching button for him. Let's see if I get this cha-ching button. Shout out to everybody that's here, though. And let me give everybody a round of applause. Forgot to give everybody a round of applause. Thanks a lot for coming through. All right. So what's going on? The crazy. I believe I'm saying that right. The ZY. I don't know. The ZY. CZY. Are you new to the channel? Because I don't know if I saw you before. The CZY. Shout out to you. Keith said, thanks for the video updates, Discord, and giving us more tools to use. If you're new here, pick up Ben's course and join the Discord to gain more advantage in this market. Shout out to Keith. Thanks a lot, Keith. I appreciate it. So let's go to some altcoins real quick. So XRP was getting hammered. Yeah, so XRP, guys, you see XRP right here. If you look at it, okay, and this is why the Bitcoin dominance is going to keep continuing to grow, because these altcoins are just going to just go without Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is going to go like probably in a consolidation mode, and these altcoins are just going to just slide down. This is like, you know, these altcoins are just in a bad situation right now, man. You know, a lot of these altcoins, and it's crazy because a lot of people don't think that these altcoins will continue to go down. Okay, but people don't understand. First of all, we are in the beginning of the bear market. Okay, this is only the beginning. Okay, so we have a lot more room to go down. A lot more room to go down. So you guys have to understand that, and be careful out here. I'm not new, just new saying anything. So shout out to you, man. Thanks a lot. What's going on, buddy? So yeah, XRP is looks like it's trying to go down one more time, because you know a lot of people are just buying these dips, and they're gonna get crushed every single time. Okay, a lot of people say I'm gonna continue to buy, and honestly, guys, that's just the wrong mentality. Imagine if, just think about it for a second. Let's think about it for a second. For you guys that's losing money, if you're losing money right now, okay, you're losing money right now. Just think about it. Imagine if you did the reverse. So whatever you're doing right now, imagine you're doing the opposite. Imagine how much money you could have made. All right? Just think about that for a second. So let's see what I have here. Yes. I'm reading these comments. So Bitcoin, let's look at Ethereum real quick. Actually, ETC. Wow, ETC getting smashed, guys. Anybody here in this room bought ETC? Anybody in this room bought ETC? ETC is getting smashed. This is why I told you guys. I know some of you guys say, "Yo, man, I want to buy ETC," because you're doing that FOMO, okay? But I told you, I told you guys, be careful about ETC. Be careful about all these coins, because we are in a bear market. I don't care if these coins get listed on NASDAQ, okay? We are in a bear market, and most likely they will pump and just go straight back down. Just, you know, that's how it works in the bear market. So I hope you guys, if you bought ETC, I hope you guys took some profits. Hope you guys took some profits off this, man. It's crazy. Buddy said killing it on the shorts this week, so shout out to Buddy. Shout out to Buddy, man, killing it on the shorts. Let me get him that cha-ching button. And for all you guys that's tired, if you're losing money right now, if you are losing money right now, you're tired and you're saying, Ben, I'm tired. My legs are weak. My insides are weak. My hands are trembling. I don't know what to do. Just stop. Stop listening to these YouTubers telling you to buy these dips. Guys, this thing could go down much lower. This is just the beginning of the bear market. This thing could last for a long time. So guys, you know, stop putting yourself through that pain, okay? The best thing, a couple of things you can do. A couple of things you can do in the bear market. You can just stop completely, you know, just take a break and say, you know, I'm gonna take a break from this market. Second thing you can do is educate yourself, learn how the market works, okay? And the third thing you could do is focus on another strategy that allows you to make money in the bear market, okay? That's what me and my students are doing right now. We are playing the swings, okay? We are playing the swings in this market, and we're not really buying and holding, because playing the swings in this current market right now is probably the best thing to do for anybody. Of course, I'm not giving nobody financial advice. It's entertainment only, but playing the swings is probably the best thing to do. And it's just, you know, it's sad because, you know, I get a lot of emails. Okay, I got an email not too long ago. Some guy said he doubted me. Okay, he said, you know, he said, you know, I listened to you and I doubted you. I didn't know the bear market was going to be this bad. He said I lost pretty much like 60%. And you know, so guys, you know, just be careful out here. Okay, ETC shot up and it's going right back down. So it looks scary out here. What's going on, Triforce? Yes. So shout out to everybody that's here, guys. I'm glad you guys is here. Andrew said, "What's your email, Ben, so I can send you proof?" Let me give you an email right now, okay, Andrew? Thanks a lot. So yes, guys, if you bought my course, okay, you just have to send me proof that you bought the course, so I can give you that link to the Discord room. And once you get that link to the Discord room, you can talk to us and you know, talk about the market. So shout out to you guys. So Ethereum Classic is just going down. Everything is going down. Let's look at Ethereum. Gosh, I mean, it's just almost, guys, it's like it's non-stop, man. It's just ridiculous. Okay, you see how the market was green right here, now it is going right back down. This is scary, you know. This is like absolute people just selling, and most likely this thing could have a lot of legs. So the way this looks, right, you know, don't be surprised if Ethereum go to right here. So don't be surprised if Ethereum goes to this low, which is around 133. So don't be surprised if you see 133 Ethereum. And if you are new, Michael said, "Are you from New York?" Yes. Are you from New York too, Michael? If you are new to the channel, please let me know. Please let me know if you have any questions. Okay, I'll definitely get to your questions. I've been doing this for 11 years, so I know what I'm doing. Okay, I do this full time. I'm a full-time trader. Monday to Friday, I day trade the financial markets and I swing trade crypto. So if you want to learn more about this, definitely hit that subscribe button. Okay, and I've been telling my subscribers, guys, you know, watch out for this market. This market could get ugly, and some of my subscribers listened, and a lot didn't. A lot of my subscribers didn't. They thought I was just talking nonsense. Okay. It's because I've been through this before. I've been through a bear market that was just brutal. 2008, the biggest companies, the biggest banks in the world went belly up right in front of your face. You know, if someone, before that even happened, if someone told you, "Hey man, do you think, you know, Lehman Brothers and all these other banks will go out of business?" You're like, "Please, man, what are you talking about go out of business? Those guys got billions of dollars. They will never go out of business." Okay, that's what you would say. So that's why when it comes to a bear market, I understand that anything can happen. I don't care how great the company is, how great the coin is. Like, and this is not just cryptocurrencies, guys. You know, wait to that stock market crash. Okay, wait till the stock market crash. It's gonna be same thing. A lot of these companies that you think that is, you know, big and they will never go under, trust me. Okay, a lot of these tech companies, because right now we are in a tech bubble, so a lot of these tech companies that you see right in front of your face will go down. Most likely go have to file bankruptcy and all that stuff. So, you know, this is how a bear market works, man. I'm telling you, it's brutal. I told you guys before, I showed you the last bear market that we had. Okay, if you're new to the channel and you don't know anything about this, because you know, I'm different from most YouTubers. I tell I basically tell you reality. Okay, most YouTubers can't tell you reality because they don't do this full time. Okay, but if you go to the last bear market, okay, this is Coin Market Cap when the bear market started. Okay, this is the first page of Coin Market Cap. Most of these coins are gone. Okay, and this is how a bear market works. I told you, it's brutal. Okay, it is a dangerous thing if you don't know what you're doing. So a lot of these coins that you see right now, zero. Okay, a lot of these coins that you see right now on the first page are going to zero. They're gonna get wiped out. It's just how the bear market is. It wipes out all the coins or companies that are not stable, and they get rid of those companies, and then they continue, to go up. So shout out to everybody that's here. Let me see if I see any questions here. Michael said he's from Brooklyn. Shout out to Brooklyn. Shout out to Brooklyn. What's good, son? What's good, son? What's good, Michael? Yeah, if you don't know, New York. I'm from New York, so we say son a lot. Yo, what's good, son? What's good, son? So shout out to Michael. Man, but what's going on, Robbie? Michael said, "What's good, B?" For real. TB said that ass. Oh, that's funny. That ass. Ah, man, for real. Yeah, man. Y'all guys bringing back old memories right now. Old memories. What's going on, Rufus? Let me see. Let me see if I see any questions here. Shout out to everybody that's here, though. Let me see. Yo, Big Ben. No money XRP. Yo, Big Ben. I know it's off topic. Do you think silver is at its bottom? I don't know. I don't know if silver is at its bottom. I haven't looked at the chart. I'll check the chart probably later. I don't know if silver's at the bottom. I'll check it later though. Money. Who's that said? Who asked me that? Jeez, I forgot who asked me that. Money XRP. So Money XRP, do you own silver? Do you own silver? So yes, guys, you have to be careful out here. Make sure that you don't listen to these crazy YouTubers that claim they know what they're doing and, think that Bitcoin is going to 50K this year. I mean, come on, guys. We've been going down pretty much going on 9 months straight. And so hold on, let me see something real quick. So this is the silver futures. So is this correct, guys? Is silver at $15? Not yet. So no money XRP. Is silver at $15? Because I haven't looked at silver in a long time. So let me read some more questions. Leslie Savage says, smash the like, support Ben's channel. Thanks a lot. So Leslie Savage. I'm trying to read these questions right now. Let me see. The crazy said, is in another way to buy your course not using Discord? I can't log in there. I don't get it. You said is any other way to buy your course not using Discord? because I can't log in there. The CZY, okay? Are you talking about this course right here? Are you talking about this? Because you don't need the Discord room to buy this course. I don't know if you talk. I don't know. Can you explain the CZY? Can you explain what you mean by that? Okay, so let me see. Big Ben, keep your eye on silver rule. Gonna. Yeah, but I'm asking, is silver at $15? Is this correct? Is silver at $15? So the CZY, okay. During the live stream, I usually give a discount for the course. So if you give me 10 minutes, you can get the course at a discount, okay. You don't need to log in on Discord room. So this, if you give me a second, but is this right? $15 silver. So yes, 16. So all right. So for you guys that are new to cryptocurrencies, okay, for you guys that are new to cryptocurrencies, this is a great example, okay. This is a great example. Silver is at $15, okay. Gold is at what, like I don't know, 1,000 or something, okay. And this is what I'm talking about here, guys. Silver is at $15, and we all know that silver should be higher than this. Okay, we all know that silver should be higher than this. Okay, but I'm here to tell you guys, the markets could do, well, the markets will do, and will always do whatever it wants to do. Okay, always remember that. Okay, because I remember looking at someone today that said, I can't believe Bitcoin or XRP, or I don't know what coin he was talking about, it's going down. Like, why is it going down? It doesn't make any sense. The markets could do whatever they want, right? You have to understand that, and that's why you can't. That's why you can't have a belief where things can never go wrong. Most people, when they look at cryptocurrencies, they have this belief that things can never go wrong. Okay, if you know, I remember reading comments saying Bitcoin can never go below 5,600, Bitcoin can never go to 5,000, Bitcoin can never go to 4,000. You can't say that, guys. The market could do whatever it wants to do. I just showed you silver. Silver's at $15. We all know that silver should not be at $15. Okay, and gold should be probably higher than that. Okay, but these markets, we don't control these markets, guys. You have to understand that we don't control these markets, right? The big dogs control this market, and they can manipulate the market. Whatever, you know, they can do whatever they want to do. Okay, so it doesn't matter what the fundamentals are. Okay, some people just can't get that. I had to learn the hard way. I had to lose a lot of money, but you guys have to know that we don't control the market. So that's why when I tell people, guys, this thing could go lower, they don't believe me. Okay, they don't believe me because they trying to like saying there's no way. But guys, you have to understand that we are in a bear market, and bear markets go down. They don't go up, they go down. Okay, so you have to be prepared. You have to play defense. You can't just think positive all the time, because if you have a business and you think positive all the time, you when that business go through a slow time, because all businesses go through that slow, you know, that slow time. Okay, and you have to be prepared for that slow time. You have to push or put money into it, put money aside when the business is slow, okay, and until it picks up. So you can't always be positive all the time, because if you be positive all the time, when the bad things come up, it's gonna shock you. You're not gonna be prepared, and you're gonna get wiped out. Okay, you're gonna get wiped out. It's just what it is. So as a business owner, because you have to treat investing as a business, okay, so as a business owner, you have to recognize that things can't go up forever. Okay, we're going to have times where it's just slow. So the good thing about this market, right? The good thing about these markets are basically we can actually we can actually make money whether the market goes up or down. That's the best thing about these markets. Society don't want you to know about that. Okay, so that's why you see most people on YouTube right now, all the crypto people right now on YouTube, they don't even know about shorting. When they hear shorting, automatically they think that you are a bear and you're betting against cryptocurrencies. They don't understand shorting. The reason why they don't understand shorting is because shorting is not promoted. Okay, only thing they push onto us is buy and hold. That's it. But all the rich people that I know, all the big dogs that I know that trade the markets, they all short. They all short the market. They don't have a bias. Okay, if the market is going up, they will buy like crazy. If the market is going down, they will short like crazy. Okay, because they know that it doesn't matter what they think. Okay, the market will continue to go down whether you short it or not. So don't think that you short in the market, you are pushing the market down. You're not. Okay, so I had to let you guys know that these markets, trust me, we don't control these markets. Let me see. My favorite YouTuber says billionaires are coming. Billionaires are coming where in this market? Not this type of market. Okay, this type of market, billionaires is not gonna come in a market that's dropping like this. Okay, first of all, we have to have regulations. Okay, and let me see. Robbie said, "How big? How is the baby Big Ben?" Shout out to Robbie. Thanks a lot for asking. Yeah, she's doing good. She's actually sleeping right now. She's doing good. She's growing. Smiling a lot, laughing. She's like 5 months now, so she's definitely growing up. Thanks a lot for asking. Let me see. You said Comex rule. I'm trying to read. I love New York flavor. Rakim is one of my favorite rappers growing up. Shout out to Keith. Yes, shout out to Keith. Keith, where you from, Keith? Where you from right now, Keith? I'm reading these comments. So this is the start of the downtrend, major move. A lot of billions of dollars coming for short. And he says some of these major moves happen and will make the most of these. Yep. Illinois. Okay, I hear you, man. So the CZY asked me about my course. So I'm gonna give him the discount if you still want to get it. And shout out to you and anybody else that don't have it yet. Definitely check it out. On the live stream, I give you guys a discount. So let me give you guys that discount. I don't know if the CZY is still on this channel, but I give out my discount usually like 50% off during the live stream. So let me know if you're still here. And the reason why you should get this course, or anybody should get this course, is because it'll show you how to make money in this current market. Okay, I just took a short right here on BTC, made my money right here. Okay, I came on live before, okay, before everything, before the market started moving. I said, guys, I'm short. So it was a high quality setup. If you want to learn more about that, how you can do that, definitely you can pick this up. And this course is not only just about shorting. It's about how to make money in the bull market too. And it'll show you how to be a professional. Okay, if you want to become a professional swing trader, you definitely check this out. And if you have a 9-to-5, you can still make this work because it's about swing trading. We basically focus on the daily chart and the 4-hour chart, so you can definitely make that work. So yes, so the CZY, I'm gonna copy and paste the link for you right now. Okay, let me give you that link. Okay, so the CZY, once you get it, let me know. because I can send you the link to the Discord if you want me to. But let me know once you get the course, and anybody else got to get the course. Once you get the course, send me proof that you got the course, so I can give you that Discord link. Okay, you could chat with us, you can chat with me and my students. We go over the market. So right now, guys, let's go to the 4 hour. And yes, so look like we're gonna probably chop around. We are in this channel right here, guys. We are in this channel right here. So it looks like we're gonna chop around right here. Probably break to the upside. I remember somebody, I forgot who had this. Somebody had this in the chat room. I forgot. I think it was Bema. Had this nice little triangle formation. Okay, so most likely we're gonna probably pop up to the 1 hour, maybe. Who knows? But we're probably gonna hit this channel right here and probably find some type of resistance. The way things are looking, we are looking. It looks like we waiting for that next move down. So guys, be careful out here. I know a lot of people trying to buy. A lot of people trying to buy 6,000 because they saw 6,000 buyers came in. But guys, that's just a trick. 6,000 looks like a temporary hiccup. Maybe most likely probably going to consolidate a little bit and then just break right back down. Okay, so this thing is not finished. But you know, you have to understand we're in a bear market, and a lot of things just continue to go down, and you just got to be careful out here. So let me see. Hey, what's going on, Randy? Trapper Keeper said BTC 3,900. Shout out to you. But do you know anything about ADA? No. Do I know about the charts? Yes. You want me to look at ADA? So ADA broke out of the channel, right? When we broke out of this channel, we couldn't make a higher high. Okay, notice that we couldn't make a higher high. We shot down. So ADA, guys, is looking like it's trying to go much lower, and most likely, where is that right now? I'm trying to look. Where is that right now? Is that what? 11 cents, 10 cents. Yeah, 88 definitely looks like he's trying to go much lower. It's a brutal market out here, guys. It's a brutal market. Everything is pointing down right now. I know your favorite YouTuber is telling you to buy these dips, but guys, why would you buy something that looks like it is going to continue to go down? And not only continue to go down, but it has more room to go down. Okay? This is not over. Eventually, we will get a bounce. Eventually, we will get a bounce, but that bounce is probably going to be fake out. Okay, so we're going to get a bounce. Most people want to say, oh, okay, the bulls is back. But come on, guys. You know, how many times are you going to say the bulls is back? I can't believe it. You know, I can't believe what I'm seeing in this space, in this crypto space. I can't believe people are thinking like this. You know, I had to blame the media. I had to blame these YouTubers. You know, because the people just thinking one way. So Bitcoin pretty much had. It looked like this was the last chance for Bitcoin to go up. It looks like this was the last chance for Bitcoin to go up. Because honestly, I thought we was gonna at least hit the 9,000 mark, at least 9,000. I knew 10,000 was, you know, a stretch. I knew it, you know, 10,000 was hard to do, but at least 9,000, you know. But after that, after this, what, 84, 8,500, we just sold off like crazy. So that was the last chance for the bulls to bring this thing to 10K and continue to go back up. But it seemed like the bulls don't want to go up. Okay, so this is confirming the bear market even more and more. Okay. So my theory is the reason why they didn't go up that high, okay, the reason why they didn't go to 9,000 and 10,000 is because they know that a lot of people wanted to break even at 9,000 and a lot of people wanted to break even at 10,000, okay, and they didn't want you guys to cash out. because if you cash out, they can't make money. Okay, in order for the big dogs to make money, they have to take someone else's money. All right, someone else, they have to take money from someone else. So if you sell right here, they won't be able to take your money. So that's how the game works, and I'm just hoping you guys learning from your lesson, learning from your mistakes. Let me see. Andrew said 1538. I'm holding. Okay, I hear you, Andrew. Let me see if I see any. Trying to read these comments here. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you have any comments, if you have any questions, let me know. Especially, I'm reading these comments right now. Michael said, especially these huge corporations get in the market. Realistically, who wants to buy BTC at 17K? Exactly. No one wants to buy Bitcoin at 17K. You have to understand these billionaires. You gotta understand they are billionaires for a reason. Okay, they don't FOMO. They don't chase. They are patient, and they usually get in at good prices. So that ETF thing that most people think about, trust me, if the ETF gets approved, it doesn't really matter because the prices is still high. Paul said the market is always right. The trader can be wrong, period. Exactly. So shout out to Paul. Let me give him a round of applause. Okay. The market is always right, guys. Okay. And if you guys hear some thunder in the background, if you hear some thundering in the background, that's not a sound clip. That's Florida for you. Okay. But yes, the market is always right, and the trader is always wrong. So you have to understand that, guys. Okay. No matter how much you love XRP, no matter how much you love Bitcoin, no matter how much you love TRX, if the market is going down, that's what the market is doing. And I had to learn that the hard way. When I was coming up, when I first started up, I had to learn that the hard way. I was saying, why is my stock going down? Everything on paper looks good. On paper, everything looks good. But my stock is continuing to go, is going down, and I don't know what's going on. That's how, I realized the market could do whatever it wants to do, bro. The market is, it's your friend and it's your enemy at the same time. So the CZ said, the CZY said he got the course. So let me give him a round of applause. Thanks a lot. Let me give you a round of applause. Okay, thanks a lot, man. Thanks a lot for supporting the channel. I appreciate it. And like I tell everybody else that get the course, okay, I tell everybody else that who get the course that if you study, do things step by step, there's money to be made. A lot of people don't understand. There's money right in front of your face. Okay, you basically leaving a lot of money on the table, not playing these swings. Okay, if you want to hodl, you're gonna still hodl. Okay, but you're gonna have another strategy on the side that allows you to take advantage of these swings. Okay, imagine if you did the opposite, because I know a lot of people that's watching right now. If you're tired of losing money, I'm quite sure that you're buying the dips. You've been buying the dips ever since January. Imagine, right? Just sit down, close your eyes. Imagine if you did the opposite. Imagine instead of buying the dips, you sold the dips. Okay, you sold them. Imagine how much money you could have made, because when you deal with shorting, you can actually increase your leverage. I'm not telling you to increase your leverage at first, but once you get good at this, once you get good at trading, you can actually increase your leverage. So you can make way more than the average. So imagine that, guys, and imagine learning how to read the market and saying that, guys, we are in a bear market. You know, I'm a holdout for, you know, from buying these coins, and I'm just gonna play the swings. Okay, that's what me and my students been doing. That's how I was able to take this short right here, make this money right here. Okay, and it's not because I'm a genius. It's not because I have some type of, you know, I know magic or anything like that. Okay, I'm a regular guy just like you. Barely graduated from high school. Didn't go to college, but I studied. Okay, I studied my butt off, and it paid off. Okay, I know how to read the market. I can tell when we're in a bear market. I can tell that this market most likely will continue to go down, most likely for the whole year. Okay, and I take advantage of that because I'm a professional. I am a professional, and I have to continue to make money every single month because I have to pay bills. I have to live the life that I want to live. So this is why it's called recession-proof, meaning that it doesn't matter if the market is going down. Okay, I can still make money. That's recession-proof. So if the stock market is going down, right? Because I do trade the financial markets too. Okay, if the stock market is going down and the economy is bad, right? And let's say that we're gonna be in a bad recession or a depression, guys, I'll be good. You know why? Because once you gain this skill, right? Once you gain the skill, and learn how to short, in a bad economy, that benefits us because we are traders. We are people that look at things much differently than the rest, and we don't follow the rules. Okay, I don't follow the rules, and what I mean by I don't follow the rules, I'm not talking about doing something you know, illegal. I'm talking about I don't do what the average Joe do. Okay, if I follow average Joe, then I'm gonna get average results. Okay, so the average Joe thinks that swing trading is risky. The average Joe thinks that day trading is risky. Imagine if I stop day trading. Okay, imagine if I stop day trading because, you know, my mother, my friends, everybody around me say, "Oh my gosh, you do that? That's risky." Imagine if I listened to those guys and I stopped. I wouldn't be able to work for home right now. All right, okay. I wouldn't be able to spend time with my daughter. Okay, I wouldn't be able to basically live the life that I want to live and live right now. Go on vacations. Okay. Just because I listen to society. Society is always wrong, guys. Let me tell you that. Society is always wrong. That's why you have people that are just so confused when it comes to a lot of things. It's not just the market, but a lot of things. A lot of people are confused. They don't understand what's going on. So that's why, you know, if you don't understand what's going on, you can easily be a victim. Okay. It's very hard to trick someone that knows what's going on. So shout out to the CZY. Let me give him the cha-ching button. And the CZY, if you said that you can't log on, you said you can't log on a Discord, the CZY. I didn't understand that part. You said you couldn't log on in the Discord. Let me know, because anybody that gets this course, once you get it, you send me proof, and I send you the link to that Discord. You could talk to us. You could talk to my, you know, students. Right now, this course is at a discount, 50% off. When I get off a live stream, it's going right back up. So the market looks like it's trying to drop a little bit, but I don't know. You know, it looks like it's going to chop around a little bit before it drops. So, you know, I don't know. You know, but I know that this looks like a bot right here. But this is why me personally, I don't buy. Let's go to the 1 hour, okay? Let's zoom out a little, okay? Let's zoom out. So this is why I don't really buy in a thing. You see how it popped up? So this is a nice little triangle to go long. This might be a fake breakout. I don't know. It might just go right back down. So that's why I'm careful when it comes to buying in the a bear market. But let's see if I see any questions. Yeah, the CZY. Let me know about the situation in the Discord. And if you're new to the channel, welcome. If you have any questions, let me know. I've been doing this for 11 years, so if you have any questions, let me know. King said BTC is flying up. Guess what, King? King is flying up, then it's flying back down. Oh man, BTC is crazy, man. It flies up, then it flies right back down. King said the same thundering over here. I expect BTC to go down again. Lots of money. Yeah, I know. Yeah, BTC right now, guys. You have to understand. Right now, it's flooded with sellers. So be careful. Whoever's buying the dips right now, be careful because it's flooded with sellers. Okay, flooded. So every time you're buying a dip, they want you to buy the dip so they can just stop you out. Let me see if I see any questions. I'm about to get out of here soon. What's going on, Dom? How you doing, Dom? What's going on, Sean? Booker said, "Yo, is anyone looking at the wick on a 15-minute? Let's look at the 15-minute. Yeah, that 15-minute. It's crazy out here, guys. This is crazy. And this is what you call bot trading right here. Bot trading. Okay, it's not really real trading right here. This is nonsense right here. It went up, it shot right back down. Like, come on. It's going up and shooting right back down like that. That's nuts. Booker said the market is crazy, acting crazy right now. Exactly, it's acting crazy because what they're doing is they stopping a lot of people out. Okay, they're going to trap you. They're going to, you know, have you buy more. Then they're going to stop you out. So, you know, guys, you have to understand that we are in a bear market, and whew, it's brutal, man. It's brutal. Let me see if I see any questions. Dom said just got off of work. All right, you here washing dishes? So shout out to you, man. So yeah, guys, if you have any questions, let me know. Let me know. Let me read some let me read some comments that I saw on YouTube. Hey, what's going on, David? The CZY said yes. I didn't use it for a long time, and they asked me to. Okay, I hear you. I think you can probably create another Discord if you want. I think you have to use another email though. So if you don't know the 6-digit, you could probably use another email. But you know, if you figure out a way to get into the Discord, log in, let me know, because once you do, you can send me proof that you got the course, and I will send you the Discord link. Okay, I'm gonna send you that Discord link, and anybody else that got the course, send me proof, and I'll send you that Discord link as soon as I get off this live stream. Michael Teller said, "Thanks for the jewels, Ben. Much appreciated." Thanks a lot, man. Appreciate it. Yeah, so let me read some comments that I saw. A guy said, at this point, I'm sick or tired of hearing how great Ripple is doing. Oh man, this is someone, okay, and guys, this is going to get worse. Okay, I'm telling you right now, this is going to get worse. So your favorite YouTuber, a lot of your favorite YouTubers are going to either go out of business, or they're going to lose a lot of subscribers, or they might just quit. Okay, this is a guy commented underneath somebody's video. He said, at this point, I'm sick and tired of hearing how great Ripple is doing. When will XRP do anything but plummet in the value? Oh man, that is funny. Let me shoot that laugh button. Where's that laugh button at? So these guys are getting tired of people reading about news, how good Ripple is doing or how good their coin is doing. Okay, and you have to understand that it doesn't matter how much good news come out. Okay, we're in the bear market. These coins is just going to get wrecked. A lot of these coins are going to get wrecked. So let me see if I read somebody else's comment. Somebody said, "How long will the hodlers continue to believe these jokers? You've been proven all wrong. You've been proven wrong all 2018. Okay." You would have to be the biggest retard bag holder in the world, hodling Bitcoin while the whales get out. Let me read that again for you guys to hear that. How long the hodlers continue to believe these jokers who have been proven wrong all 2018. You would have been you would have to be the biggest retard bag holder in the world, hodling Bitcoin while the whales get out. So this guy is basically saying the same thing I've been trying to say this whole year. Most of these YouTubers claim that they know everything. They've been trying to tell you guys to buy ever since January, right? Since January, these guys say buy, okay? And I tell you right now, guys, subscribers are going to get tired of you, of these other YouTubers telling them to buy, because things are going to get worse. Look at BTC right now, guys. You know, BTC looks like it's going to make that another leg down, and once it breaks that 58 or 57 level, okay, the race is on. 4,000 most likely is in play. Okay, so if you think about it, if Bitcoin goes to 4,000, guys, think about this for a second. This is just anybody that's here that's losing money, you're tired of losing money. Think about this for a second. If you've been buying dips this whole year, I want you guys to think about this. If Bitcoin goes to 4,000, how far you think your altcoin will go? Okay, Ripple. Let's go to Ripple real quick. Okay, let's go to Ripple real quick. Okay, Ripple is at 28 cents. Okay, 29 cents. If Bitcoin goes to 4,000, guys, how far do you think Ripple will go? Okay, it's not going to, I tell you this much, it's not going to be at 29 cents. Okay, so you guys have to understand that these coins could go lower, lower, and lower. And 4,000 is not just, it's just a number. Okay, Bitcoin could go way lower than 4,000. So for you guys that's buying these dips, man, save up your money. Of course, I'm not giving nobody financial advice during this live stream, but save your money, guys. Learn how the market works. Right now we're killing it with the swing, so why waste your money while you can actually make money? So let me see if I see any questions out here. Okay. Keith said, teenager tweeting out yesterday he would buy people's XRP if they wanted to sell. It says they discouraged. Some people tweeted back sarcastically he couldn't afford their bag. Shout out to NN. Yes, hit those those likes. Yeah, Keith. Yeah, man. You have to understand. These guys can't continue to say buy. Okay. If this bear market is going to continue to um, go down. You said XRP is forming something. Yeah, it is. It is. Let me see. Let's go on the 20. And for you guys that got the Discord, when you get off this live stream, go back to the room and look at the updated videos, because I did I did another video update. So yeah, this is a 1, 2, 3, but you know, it is far away from the moving average. So you know, just be cautious. But the way things are looking, you know, it is a possibility it could work out. But just be careful out here, because you know, XRP looks like it. I could tell you this for the most part. The way I believe, I think XRP will at least hit the lows again to stop people out. After that, how far it will go, I don't know. So if anybody is taking any trade, just be careful out here. It is kind of, you know, under the moving average, but you could probably get a quick 1-to-1 maybe. But you know, like I said before, guys, don't force any trades. If it's not a high quality setup, don't force it. But yeah, you are correct. It is a 1, 2, 3. Shout out to you. Let me see. Ben, your course helped me identify the XRP. Shout out to you, Sean. Paul said it's just a start of pain toward the bull period. People, yeah, no, man. Okay, so basically, you know, for you guys that don't understand what's going on, okay, imagine, let's zoom out of it. Imagine going short last year, okay? And every single dip that you saw, you said there's no way BTC could continue to go up, all right? You shorting right here, and it goes up. You said, no way. There's no way BTC can continue to go up. You short right here, it goes back up. There's no way. You short right here, it goes up. 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 You short right here. So, guys, no one knows the bottom. No one knows the top. You can lose a lot of money shorting, a lot of money buying the dips in the bear market. So you have to understand, guys, it's just a dangerous thing. Let me see. So I'm about to get off the stream. I don't see any questions right here. Let me see if I. So yeah, those comments was funny. Okay, that was funny because I know that a lot of people are tired now. Okay, they tired of hearing great news about Ripple. Okay, and XRP is still going down. XRP is still going down, and they you know, continue to read your guys' good news. Eventually, I told you, eventually these guys gonna run out of subscribers or content or whatever, because they can't continue to read good news while the market goes down. Shout out to you if you're new to the channel. If you have any questions, let me know, please. Let me know before I get out of here. The coin market cap most likely is going to continue to go down. Let me refresh this. So it's at 214 right now. The dominance is at 51%. So yeah, just be careful out here, guys. Definitely be careful. Just bad times right now. Bad times. Ben, is that a double top on BTC? What time frame, Sean? What time frame are you talking about? Shout out to everybody that's here. Yeah, let me know what time frame. So right now, people think, they think that coins are cheap, but they are not cheap right now. Coins are actually expensive. And what I mean by that is basically, if you keep on buying, it's going to cost you a lot of money, okay? So you think they are cheap right now, but no, they very expensive, because if you're buying and it keeps going down, that means you have to keep putting money in there, okay? So that's an expensive habit, okay? Buying the dips is a very expensive habit, because it's going to cost you a lot of money. On a 1 hour, double top on the 1 hour, yeah, so far, okay, double top on the 1 hour, but I don't, right now I wouldn't. Yeah, that's just the 1 hour, but yeah, that's a double top, yeah, definitely. XRPT Ninjas also tweeted out to his followers, based on their investments off fundamentals and progress, and not based it off the fundamentals and progress, not price action. Exactly. Okay. So that's like having somebody cheat on you and continue to cheat on you, and they say, man, don't dump her, man. Base your relationship on how good she is, as a person. But if she keeps on cheating on you, you can still stay in a relationship. It's okay. At one point, at a point, it's gonna come to. It's gonna come to you figuring out, okay, this is very unsustainable. I can't continue to buy these dips. Do you think it's dangerous to swing trade with the market being this bad? It's trying to catch a falling knife. Very risky. I lost money, bro. So you said swing trade, as in what? We are not catching a falling knife. So I don't know what you're talking about. Can you go in details, Philip? You said catching a fallen knife. We're not catching fallen knife, Phillips. We actually are. We are throwing the knives. Okay, we're not catching the knives. We're throwing the knives. So, can you let me know if you bought? Did you buy something? I don't know exactly what you're trying to do, Philip. Let me know. Ben, after I heard his stream about silver USC, I saw the price of silver is going down. 2001. Your thoughts on crypto? 17 plus years also possible. You said, what are your thoughts for crypto? 17 plus years also possible. Possible for what? On NN. So you say that I saw the price of silver going down since 2001. What are your thoughts? 17 years. Also possible. Okay, so you say, is it possible for the crypto to go down that much years? Yeah, anything is possible. Okay, so a lot of people, when I talk, I try to not to, because some people won't believe me anyway. So even if I tell them that, they won't believe me. But I tell people that, guys, this bear market could last way more than 5 years, but most people would never believe what I say anyway. So that's why I try not to say it too much. So yes, that's anything is possible. So Phillips, let me know. Okay, let me know what you're talking about, because you said that catching the fallen knives. I don't know. We're not catching fallen knives over here. I don't know exactly what you're talking about. We basically throwing the knives. We're not catching them. TB $ said throwing daggers, yo. I'm throwing daggers, yo. Ah, man. So, yeah, so the XRP teenager said, fundamentals, don't listen to the fundamentals, the price, yeah, exactly, you know, it's ridiculous. So a lot of these tech companies, like I said, guys, a lot of these tech companies, when this market crash, when the stock market crash, a lot of these tech companies that you think that are very strong, they're going to go bye-bye, okay? And I'm talking about in the stock market. Okay, so don't think I just think this way with the crypto market. No, I think the same way with the stock market. Okay. These companies are not bulletproof. So it is what it is. If you are new to the channel, welcome. If you have any questions, let me know. I've been doing this for 11 years, so you know, don't be shy. Let me know. You said silver is going to explode soon. Look up Big Ben. Yeah, I'll probably look it up. You know, it's just that, you know, you can't really believe everything you read because it's very hard to know when silver or gold is going to explode. Yeah, it might explode, but, you know, they've been holding those prices down for the longest. So at this price, you know, at this time, guessing, you know, I don't like to guess too much, but yeah, I would definitely look into it, if, you know, once I get time. Hey Ben, what's going on, Sam? Since this bear market and volatility, is day trading only way to make money? What are your thoughts? Online trading bots like Crypto Hopper. Shout out to Sam. Sam, are you new to the channel? Are you new to the channel? Thanks a lot for your question. I appreciate it. Shout out to you. So he said, is day trading the only way? First of all, I don't teach day trading with the crypto market because, you know, I mean, I don't like sometimes the market could be just not doing nothing for the whole day, and next thing we see a crazy breakout. Okay, now if that's something that you want to do, you know, you can do it. But me personally, I don't day trade like that. But what I would say is, for this bear market, okay, I think the best way to make money is swing trading. Okay, so when you swing trade, you can use the daily chart or use the 4-hour chart, and that's how me and my students been basically making money for 2018. It's not buy and hold. Okay, so some people don't understand that you can't use the same strategy, okay, every single year. Last year was a great bull market. Okay, anybody, you know, a 10-year-old, a 5-year-old, a 7-year-old could have bought the market and made money. Okay, so that's why everybody and their mother thought they was a genius. Okay, but this year they trying to use the same strategies that they used last year, and it's not working for them. Okay, that's why they're losing a lot of subscribers. People are getting mad, pissed off. Okay, so if your favorite YouTuber don't know how to make money right now in this current market, that's because that person got lucky last year, and that person is a rookie. They don't do this full time. So I do this full time. So right now, in my opinion, the best way to make money from this market is swing trade. Okay, if you notice how the market doesn't go straight down in a line. Okay, well this dip right here was literally like a straight line, but for the most part it goes down. You know, it has pullbacks. So it goes down, pulls back, goes down, pullbacks. Imagine making money from all these pullbacks. Okay, so that's what's going on this year. You have to be, you know, you have to learn how to do that. But Sam, are you new to the channel, Sam? Are you new to the channel? Garnet said, you think run to 65-ish and back down? Yeah, 65. Let's see Bitcoin 65. Let's look it up. Let's zoom in a little bit. Let's see, 65. So right now we at, okay, we basically at 65. So we at 64. So yeah, 65. It's right there. So we can go up to 65 again. It's a possibility. You know, it's a possibility. I mean, you know, this, I ain't gonna lie, this market been so weak to the point where, you know, anything, I mean, this thing looks like it's good to continue to go back down right now. Honestly, I thought we was gonna have some type of consolidation, okay, but I don't know. I don't know if we're gonna have consolidation. We might see another down day tomorrow. I'm looking for that consolidation, and the market has been going down in a straight line. Let me see. You said you have been following since a while. Okay, so Sam, if you've been following me since a while, I don't know the last time you've been listening to my live stream, but me and my subscribers been basically using this course right here. Okay, this is the best course on the market, period. We've been using this course and using this system to play the market, the current market right now. So like I said, I don't know how long you've been listening to my streams. I don't know if you've been listening to me recently, but if you don't have this, I'm gonna copy and paste this link to you. It's a discount on the live stream. So this is not the regular price right here. Okay, the regular price is 210. So when I get off a live stream, it's going to go right back to 210. So Sam, I don't know if you have this course already. If you don't, check it out. My students been getting some great results. If you go to the testimonials, you read them. Read the testimonials, okay? People are making money. Our top student made, we made like 21,000 in a week, okay? So there's money to be made, guys. I just took a short. Like I said, I don't know if you've been following me, but I took a short right here. Last week, right here. When the market hit this area right here, took a short and went down. So that's how we've been making money, Sam. Like I said, I don't know if you've been listening to my stream lately. Let me see here. Yes, shout out to Sam. Sam, if you get this right here, Sam, if you get this course, let me know, because once you get the course, just send me proof that you got the course, and I will send you a Discord link, okay? This Discord link is where you can chat with us, me and my students, and we talk about the charts, okay? And I give updates here and there, okay? I just gave an update this today in a live stream, in the Discord. Let me see. Keith said I bought silver in 2017 and watched it drop. Hold on, guys. Oh man. Yeah, I bought silver in 2007 and watched it drop in frustration in all these years, and now what I'm seeing in crypto doesn't faze me, because I have been having the course and finally understand what's going on. So shout out to Keith. So Keith, you bought silver in 2007, okay? Let me see if I can, because I closed the silver chart. Let me see if I can get that thing back. I closed the chart. Let me see if I get that chart back. Shout out to y'all guys, man. If you guys are new to the channel, let me know. Okay, let me know if you're new to the channel. I will definitely, if you have any questions, let me know. I'll definitely see if I can answer your question real quick. So let's go to, this is the silver futures, I believe. Yeah. So 2007, let me see, 2007. I'm gonna zoom out a little bit. 2007. Okay, and okay, so 2007, all right. So if you bought it in 2007, Keith, okay, this is around here, 2007, all right. That means that you bought it around this area, somewhere around here, right? So that probably be around maybe $13, $14. Is that correct, Keith? Okay, so if you bought that, and that's basically what, 10 years later, okay, and you guys, you know, and and shout out to Keith, 10 years later, okay, the coin or the silver really hasn't been doing anything, right? So Keith, you bought it at what, $13, $14? And this is what I'm trying to tell you guys, okay? The cryptocurrencies haven't gone through this yet, okay? We haven't gone through a period where it's just, all markets go through a period where it literally is dead, guys, for decades, okay? And for you guys that don't think that's possible, okay, then you don't understand how the market works, okay? And especially when this market is about to become regulated. Regulations mean that everything is slower, okay? That's what regulation means, slower. So that's why I don't really understand why people want these ETFs, because if the ETFs get approved, guys, this market is going to be so slow, it's going to be ridiculous, okay? So for you guys that's buying XRP, for you guys that's buying Tron, for you guys that's buying all these dips, thinking that you're going to be a millionaire next year, whew, man, you guys really don't understand what's going on. Let me see. Yes, you said yes. I just held and thinking it would keep going up. Exactly. Okay, so Keith bought silver in 2007, guys. That's like what, 10 years, 11 years later? Okay. So yeah, you have to, guys, you have to understand the markets, you know, they have a mind of its own. So let me see. TB dollar sign said, real talk, get the course. Thanks a lot, TB dollar sign. Robert Kiyosaki, JP Morgan Chase, and many others. Okay, they got gold and silver. Yes, gold and silver. I don't have any gold or silver. I don't have any gold or silver. So guys, if you have any questions here, before I get out of here, if you have any questions, let me know. Before I get out, before I get off this YouTube. If you do have the course, again, if you do have the course, send me proof that you got it so I can send you that Discord link. Okay. Be careful in this market. Things are not cheap. They are expensive. What I mean by that is basically if you keep buying, okay, you're going to spend a lot of money buying these dips because things could go down more and more and more and more. So it's not cheap. Things are expensive right now because we are in the this is just the beginning of the bear market. The bulls basically had their last chance right here. If you ask me, they had their last chance right here. They should have went up. Actually, they should have went up right here. You know, let's keep it real. They should have went up back in February, okay? And they definitely should have went up back here, back in what, March, April? And this is they definitely should have went up right here. So most likely this was their last chance, and now it looks like we heading back to the lows. So you know, unfortunately, we don't control the market. You know, if it was up to me, trust me, guys, if it was up to me, I would bring this market back up and you know, push this thing all the way back to 50K. If it was up to me, I would bring this thing to 50K. But unfortunately, you know, I don't control the market. You don't control the market. We don't control the market. So since we don't control the market, we have to either take the hit, right? Take the hit and just wait it out, or you can actually make money in this current market. Most people are too shy or too scared or too anything. I don't know what they are to even learn about it, okay? The great thing about these markets is you don't have to put real money up front. Okay, so let's say that you have all the education, you have everything that you need to know, right? You don't have to put money up when you trade these markets. You can test it out first. You can practice first. You don't have to put up real money. This is the great thing about the markets. Okay, I don't know any other business out here I can actually test it out in real time like that. I don't know any. I like real estate. I can't fake a closing, right? If I'm closing someone, I can't fake that. I can't fake if I open up a Shopify storefront, right, online. I can't fake people going to my store and buying stuff from me. I can't fake that. Okay, but in the market, we can actually practice real-time data, right? Act like we about to buy this stuff. You could practice in a demo account with fake money and get used to the whole process. This is what I love about the markets, man. So for you guys that just, scared, guys, all you have to do is practice. Stop being scared. Scared money doesn't make money. I'm quite sure you heard that saying before. Practice. You don't have to put real money in first. Practice, practice, practice. And you're going to be surprised, like, whoa. Because a lot of my students, even people that was doing a demo, they was like, whoa, I didn't know I could make money like this. Okay. So let me see if I see any questions. John said it won't be a pump till till New Year's again. Pump. Well, I don't know what you consider a pump. Okay, a pump in a bear market simply means a pullback. Okay, that's what it simply means. A pullback. Okay, so I don't know what you mean by a pump. I don't know. Let me see here. I'm reading these questions. John said, help me out. I'm poor. What should I go big on? John, first of all, John, I don't know if you are new to the channel. Okay, we don't go big on nothing over here. Okay, and guys, can you hear me? Can you hear the mic? Can you hear everything is good over here? Because I don't see no guys typing in anything yet. John, we don't go big on anything over here. Okay, we are professionals. Okay, John, I do this full time. This is what I do, John. I don't go big on one thing, because if you go big on one thing, you're gonna get wiped out. You're gonna get wiped out. Okay. If you're poor, then basically what you have to do is learn the skills, whatever you're trying to do, learn it. So if you want to make money from the markets, then guess what? You have to learn how the market works, right? You have to learn how the markets work, and you have to learn how to read the market, what setups to use, how to figure out if the market is trending, if it's in a bull market, is in a bear market. You have to figure all those things out. You can't just blindly buy something and put all your money into it. Okay, we are in a bear market, and a bear market, putting everything into anything is a dangerous thing. Of course, I'm not giving nobody financial advice, Yeah, so okay. So you guys can hear me all right. Keith, you can hear me too? So yeah, so you can't just go big and all in, okay? If you guys don't have this course, like I said before, me and my students is using this course right here, okay? This is the course we're using. We're using this to make money in the current market right now, okay? This course will show you how to read the market, show you how to become patient, because I tell my students all the time, guys, stay patient, okay? Be patient. Don't rush. Don't force nothing. Okay? If you force something, then, if you make a mistake, then you're going to lose money on that mistake. So if you don't have this course by now, it's the best course on the market. It's only $110, okay? The regular price is $210. On a live stream, it's $110. When I get off this live stream today, it's going right back up to $210. So that's the best thing to do, okay? Or if you don't want to get that course, I'll just copy and paste that link, okay? I just copy and paste that link. But if you don't want to get that course, okay, go to the library. I don't care where you go. Go to the library, practice reading charts. I don't care what you do, but you have to learn these markets, okay? It's just what it is. A crypto trader said, "Hi Ben, can I get the email address for the Discord link?" Crypto trader. Oh yes, okay. So anybody that got this course, send me proof. Send me proof that you got the course, and I will send you a link to the Discord. Okay, so let me give you that link right now, crypto trader. I'll give you my email. Keith said Ben course will put you on a fast track. I will start there. So shout out to Keith. David said I second that. So shout out to you guys. Thanks a lot. Let me see if I see any more questions here before I get out of here. But yeah, guys, right now it's scary times, man. Scary times. Honestly, guys, when I first my first bear market was 2008. And guys, I mean, literally, I was watching the market just fall right in front of my eyes. I was just like, I was amazed, guys. I was just, man. I mean, literally, people out. I remember trading and watching CNBC and watching people that used to work for Lehman Brothers come out the building with a whole bunch of boxes because, you know, the business is, you know, is no more, right? Lehman Brothers went out of business. Okay, everybody came out with boxes in their hand, taking out all their, you know, belongings to go home, and they jobless. Okay, I remember looking at those news stories. So the 2008, I'm glad I went through that because it prepared me for times like this. This is brutal. I'm telling you guys, a lot of these coins that you see right now, whew, man, I'm telling you, they're going to just keep going down. Why do you think Bitcoin dominance is going up? Okay, why do you think Bitcoin dominance is going up? And by the end of this year, most likely this thing's going to go up even more. So, you know, you can listen to all your favorite YouTubers if you want, but it's a dangerous game buying these bottoms. Paul said, Ben course is a must buy. He said, at John, Ben course is a must buy. I short Zcash less than 4 days and cash me out. Cash me out 6 times monthly job paychecks. So I don't think John Paul understand what you just said. So John Paul or anybody that's new to my channel, let me read this if you don't know what he just said. Okay, he said that he got my course, right? He shorted Zcash, okay, 4 days ago, okay, and basically he made 6 times his monthly paycheck, okay, 6 times. So let me give Paul again a round of applause, and then let me hit that cha-ching button. Okay, let me hit that cha-ching button for him. Give him a round of applause. It's good to see you making this money. And like I said before, guys, if you have this course, look at the updates, because, you know, 6 times your money is not, trust me, he's telling the truth. You can get 6 times your money, okay? So like I said before, guys, you know, at the end of the day, it is what it is. I mean, it is what it is. Some of you guys is going to still continue to buy these dips, and some of you guys are going to continue to make this money, okay? That's why the rich, you know, get richer and the poor stay poorer, because they're going to, the poor usually continue to, you know, they don't like to break their bad habits. So they always have bad habits, and, you know, it is what it is. But I'm about to get out of here, guys. Thanks a lot. I don't see no more questions here. I definitely don't see no more questions here. Shout out to everybody that's here, though. Let me see if I missed any questions before I go. Let me see if I missed any questions. Let me see. B Drag said, nice thing about holding all these bags is that they are getting lighter. I'm getting stronger. Oh man, yeah, they getting lighter, all right. They definitely getting lighter. Oh man, so let me see. Yeah, so guys, man, just be careful out here, man. Let me get out of here. I'm trying to read if I see any questions that I missed, but I don't think so. Dom said, hey Ben, where's Doug Polk? Yeah, I know Doug Polk is missing again. Actually, I think he's going to retire now. Doug Polk is probably going to retire because the way the market is looking like it's probably going to go underneath the 5,000 mark, and you ain't going to see Doug Polk no more. He's done. He's done. He's going to stick to poker. And I think that's what he should stick to anyway, because, you know, crypto is just something that he just, I don't know why he even started that channel if he wasn't going to stick to it. I mean, he is a comedian, though. I ain't gonna lie. He's a funny guy, but most likely he's done. No, I'm in Florida, Terrence. All right, Andrew, good looking out. Yeah, no problem, man. So guys, let me get out of here. I don't see any other questions. But shout out to you guys. Sam said, do I have to be a full-time trader to use your course? No. Sam, this course right here, Sam, okay, this course, I specifically designed it for people that have a 9 to 5, okay? So no, you don't have to be a full-time trader, okay? This course will show you how to swing trade. And what swing trading is simply means that you are holding something for a day or two, or maybe for a week, okay? So you're using the daily chart, okay? The daily chart or the 4-hour chart, okay? And if you're at work, you can take these signals, okay? Because when you come home, you could put your entry in and go to work, okay? And then you come back, and next thing you know, you in Bitcoin, and then you see your profit. So you can actually know way ahead of time before you get in. So yes, if you have a 9 to 5, you don't have to be a full-time trader. You could, I mean, you don't have to be a full-time trader to get this. You can still work your 9 to 5, and it can still work for you. So if you don't have that course, I'm about to get off, Sam. So if you want to get this course today, it's up to you. I don't force nobody to get the course, but as soon as I get off the stream, I'm bringing that thing back to 210 like I usually do. Keith said I will be back and forth during the stream on the Discord. Dom, Ben has a good video update. You should watch it. Okay. Yeah, so shout out to you, Keith. And shout out to everybody that's here. So I'm about to get out of here, guys. Thanks a lot. I don't really see any questions. BG said, any books you recommend additional to your course? Maybe Trading in the Zone, okay? And Trading in the Zone, I think that's the psychological book. Helps you with your emotions. And what else? Market Wizards, I believe. That's the name of it. A guy, I forgot his name. He interviewed a lot of traders. And, basically you'll see how these other traders, those professional traders, how they think. But any other books, as in like setups and other stuff like that, not really. Not really. But those books will help you with your emotions and help you understand how things work. And you'll get to listen to other traders. But guys, I'm about to get out of here. Buddy, what's going on? Buddy said go big on Ben Big Ben course. Shout out to you, man. Who else? Let me see if I see any questions. So I'm reading these questions, guys. Give me a second. All right, so I'm out of here, guys. All right, so thanks a lot. Like I said, I'll talk to you guys later. If you got this course, send me an email so I can give you the Discord link. Okay. So I hope you guys continue to have a good weekend. Okay. And I hope you guys continue to study, understand how this market works. Be careful. Don't buy these dips. Right? Of course, I'm not giving no more financial advice, but buying these dips, guys, trust me. Don't think that it's cheap. Okay? Don't think that prices are cheap. Buying dips are very expensive. It's not cheap. Okay? It's expensive because you have to continue to put money in your bank account. You put money into the cryptos. So every week you're putting money into these cryptos. So that's very expensive. Next thing you know, you're gonna put 20 G's more than you wanted to put in the market. So let me get out of here, guys. Thanks a lot for coming through. Okay. Talk to you guys later. And shout out to everybody that's here, man. Thanks a lot for coming through, man. Let me give you guys a round of applause. And talk to you guys later. And have a great day, guys. Have a great day. I'm glad I got the mic working, because yesterday the mic wasn't working at all. I'm glad I got this mic working. I actually bought a new mic yesterday. But, talk to you guys later and have a great day.